Hello and welcome. My name is Bonnie Sake, and I'm the co-founder and CTO of Orcus. At Orcus, our mission is to empower developers to create reliable and scalable distributed applications with ease. Distributed applications are becoming increasingly important as businesses adopt modern software architectures. However, building distributed applications can be a complex and time-consuming task, especially when it comes to managing the common elements that all distributed applications share. That is why we've created a platform that allows developers to focus on the core of their business while leaving the common but hard and repeated elements to us. Our platform, called Orcus Conductor, is a world-class application building platform that enables developers to compose and manage all sorts of flows in their applications. From simple error handling to advanced monitoring, our platform handles many things, making day zero easy and managing the application over its lifetime much easier. In a typical distributed application, multiple services, often referred to as backend applications, communicate with each other to implement business logic. These services can include modern approaches like serverless, as well as legacy monolithic applications. For example, let's imagine an e-commerce application where the customer service, inventory management, and payment processing are all separate services. These services need to coordinate with each other to provide seamless experience for the customer. Coordination can be enabled by various means. These include RPC calls, REST endpoints, and broker-based integrations like those over a queue or a topic. Services keep track of how things have progressed and what's left to do. Sometimes there are dedicated services just to do that. Moreover, a single instance of these services is rarely enough to handle the workload of a typical business. Multiple instances of these services are then deployed to manage the load. And with that comes the challenge of distributing traffic across all these instances. Traffic management is only one challenge in building a distributed application. Service-to-service communication is a critical aspect that developers must consider. And as the number of services increases, the complexity of communication between them grows and failure can become more frequent. Handling network failures, retries, timeouts, and load balancing can be a daunting task for developers. They need to ensure that communication between services are reliable, even in the face of network failures or high traffic volumes. It takes a lot of time and effort to build resiliency mechanisms such as retries, circuit breakers, and fallbacks. Adding resiliency to an application takes developers away from working on more business-critical tasks. It is essential to build resiliency into your application, but it's also crucial to do it efficiently to minimize the time spent on it. When it comes to managing communications between services, developers typically choose one of two patterns: choreography and orchestration. In choreography, each service communicates directly with the other service in a decentralized manner. Services send messages to each other, and each service responds according to the message it receives. This approach can be very flexible, but also can be very challenging to manage as there is no central point of control. On the other hand, orchestration involves a central coordinator that manages the interaction between services. The controller, often referred to as an orchestrator, defines the flow of the application and coordinates the interaction between services. This approach can be a lot easier to manage as there is a central point of control. Let's talk a little bit more about benefits of a well-formed orchestrator. An orchestrator provides a central point of control that manages the interaction between services in a distributed application. One of the key benefits of using an orchestrator is that it eliminates a single point of failure. By fully distributing the application logic and the associated data, the orchestrator can ensure that there is no single point of failure that can bring down an entire application. An orchestrator also provides durable queues with delivery guarantees. This can be used to store messages and ensure that they are delivered reliably to their destination, even in the face of network failures. And this is critical for ensuring that the communication between services is reliable and consistent. An orchestrator also implements well-known patterns such as circuit breakers and discovery which ensures that the application is resilient and can handle failures gracefully. For example, a circuit breaker can detect when a service is failing and prevent further requests being sent to it until it has recovered. An orchestrator is also designed for failures, and it follows chaos engineering principles. This means that it can handle unexpected failures and recover from them quickly and efficiently. By embracing failures and treating them as an expected part of the system, the orchestrator can provide more reliable and resilient system overall. One of the unique benefits of using Orchestrator is that it also can enable versioning outside of individual services. With an orchestrator, application logic is stored in the orchestrator itself rather than being distributed across multiple individual services. This makes it easier to manage and version control the application logic as a whole rather than having to manage it within individual services separately. An orchestrator also provides self-documenting flows. By defining workflows visually, an orchestrator can make it easier for developers to understand and manage the application. It can also track and display how things have evolved over time. Finally, an orchestrator should also be designed for the day 100 scenarios. This means that it's actually built to handle the complexities of running an application over the long term. Maintaining applications should be made easy given how flows can be configured, monitored, and managed externally outside of the individual services. So let me introduce you to Orcus Conductor. It is a powerful orchestration platform that makes it easy for developers to manage the communication between services and build flows that are scalable and reliable. Orcus Conductor is the enterprise version of the popular open source Netflix Conductor platform. Our platform allows developers to define flows and coordinate the interaction between services to ensure that each service does its part in the flow, while the orchestrator can ensure that the flow progresses reliably. The platform also provides built-in support for managing distributed transactions and resiliency mechanisms that we referred to earlier, such as retries, circuit breakers, and fallbacks. The platform is built using chaos engineering principles and is designed to be robust and resilient. It can handle unexpected failures and ensure that the application remains available and responsive. One of the key benefits of the enterprise version of Netflix Conductor platform is its flexibility. It is available as a managed cloud service or deployed on premises, making it easy for developers to choose the deployment model that works best for their needs. Additional benefits of the platform include things like decoupling the business logic from the implementation, and this allows for rapidly innovating in a changing business environment. The flows can actually span across clouds or even your on-prem footprints. The platform's UI provides advanced monitoring abilities and helps derive quick insights about the workflows that are orchestrated by the platform. One of the key benefits of the platform is that it maintains the state throughout the execution lifecycle, regardless of how long this may be. This enables developers to build complex flows that can span across multiple services, and the platform can ensure that the state is maintained throughout the entire process. And this can be for flows that takes just milliseconds to complete, or even days or months to complete, depending on the use case. The platform also provides powerful scheduling and execution capabilities, and this enables developers to execute a large scale of scheduled jobs reliably. Orcus Conductor also provides native support for reliability fundamentals. This includes error handling, retries, rate limiting, to ensure that the application remains available and responsive even in unexpected conditions. The platform provides a range of tools and features for monitoring and analyzing performance of your distributed applications, and these include metrics that can be consumed by monitoring tools such as Prometheus and Grafana. A key feature of this platform is the powerful visual workflow editor and the monitoring dashboard, which makes it easy for developers to create and manage workflows visually and then monitor the performance of their applications in real time. With its intuitive UI and drag and drop features, Orcus Conductor makes it easy for developers to build and manage applications with ease. In addition to the UI, we have SDKs as well, which are supported in multiple different programming languages, which makes it easy for integrating with your systems and writing flows in your own application code for those who prefer that model. Orchestration is a powerful tool that can be used to build and manage entire business stacks. With Orcus Conductor, developers can build and orchestrate flows that spans multiple services and use cases. Examples of these use cases can be user provisioning, monthly billing, cloud infrastructure provisioning, monitoring for health, data and infrastructure migrations, data processing, and even AI orchestration. This makes it easy for developers to build applications that are designed to handle complexities of modern business workflows. Whether you're building a new application from scratch or looking to modernize an existing application, Orcus Conductor provides the tools and features you need to build and manage distributed applications with ease. Speaking of modernization, orchestration is a powerful tool that can be used to modernize legacy applications. This enables developers to move away from monolithic architectures and move towards more modern distributed architectures. Conductor provides a range of tools and features that helps makes this process easier and more efficient. One of the key benefits of using Orcus Conductor to modernize legacy applications is that it provides support for integrations using existing eventing tools and other mechanisms. This means that developers can build and manage flows that span different kinds of infrastructure and ensure that all the corresponding services are integrated seamlessly into the overall application architecture. As an example, we could also use the strangler pattern, which enables developers to migrate one service at a time rather than migrating the entire application all at once, which can be very risky. This helps the whole process of modernizing legacy applications less risky and manageable. Orcus Conductor also provides support for heterogeneous client infrastructure, including different languages, different environments, and stacks. This means that developers can build, modify, and manage existing applications and are designed to work with a wide range of technologies. This also makes it easier to integrate new services and components into existing legacy applications. Next, I would like to introduce you to the Orcus Cloud Platform. And this is a powerful tool that enables developers and organizations to create and manage multiple Orcus Conductor clusters in the cloud. With the Orcus Cloud Platform, organizations can build and manage as many conductor clusters as required with just a few clicks. Orcus Cloud Platform also provides powerful operational and usage insights, making it easy for developers to monitor the performance of their applications in real time and quickly identify and troubleshoot issues as they arise. The powerful monitoring tools and the intuitive UI, Orcus Conductor Platform enables developers to ensure that their applications are performing as expected, meeting the needs of their users. From the cloud platform, you can deploy conductor clusters in an Orcus-hosted or a customer-hosted environment. This gives developers and organizations the flexibility to choose the deployment option that best meets their organizational policies. And with its availability in the Azure marketplace, it's easy for developers to get started and begin building and managing distributed applications in the cloud. If you're interested in getting started with Orcus Conductor, you have a few different options available to you. One great option for getting started with Orcus Conductor is the Orcus Conductor Playground. This is a free developer sandbox that provides a great way to learn about Orcus and start building distributed applications within the platform. With the Orcus Conductor Playground, you can experiment with different workflows, explore the platform's features, and build your skills with Orcus Conductor in a safe sandbox environment. Another great option is to get started with Orcus Conductor is the Orcus Cloud. Orcus Cloud provides fully managed enterprise-grade Orcus Conductor clusters and expert support. Orcus Cloud is available on the Microsoft Commercial Marketplace, making it really easy to get started with the platform. With customized plans that can meet your needs, and 100% of the marketplace purchases counting towards your Azure cloud consumption commitments, Orcus Cloud provides a powerful and flexible solution for organizations looking to build and manage impactful distributed applications. To find out more about Orcus Conductor offering and the different options available, and to get started with the platform, please visit our listing in the Microsoft Commercial Marketplace. Whether you're looking to experiment with Orcus Conductor in our playground or build enterprise-grade distributed applications with our cloud, we are here to help you get started and succeed. Thank you.